Hello everyone. Today we will talk about Marriott International 2024 financial analysis. First one is introduction. Presentation topic is Marriott International's 2024 financial results. Objective to analyze the company's financial position and review key indicators. Company overview. Founded 1927. Founders William Marriott and Alice Marriott. Headquarters Bethesda, Maryland, USA. Number of brands 30 plus. Number of hotels 9,400 plus. Number of employees is 480,000. And financial indicators in 2024. Total revenue is 25.39 million USD. Net profit is 2.38 million. Operation profit is 3.77 million. Assets 26.18 million. Liabilities is 29.17 million. Net worth is 2.99 million. And last one is free cash flow is 2 million USD. And in this diagram, you can see Marriott revenue growth. In blue color is revenue, yellow color is growth. And you can see income and outcome for Marriott International. Income is 25.39 million USD. Cost of goods sold is 20.23 million. Gross revenue 5.16 million. Operation expenses is 1.33 million. Net profit is 2.38 million. And in this diagram, you can compare income and outcome in last year. In this diagram, the biggest part of this diagram is of course revenue with 48.7%, and last biggest part is cost of goods sold with 38.8%, and while the smallest part of this diagram operation expenses with 2.6%, and gross profit is 9.9%. And financial indicators that gross profit margin is 21.89%. Operation profit margin is 15.01%, and ROE is 79.38%. And I should tag this ROE, meaning that return operation equity. And taxes is 776 million dollar, and effective tax rate is 24.63%. And there are of course some pros and cons for Marriott International. First is pros. Growth in revenue, stability of operation, profit margin, However, there are some cons, for example, decline in net profit, negative equity, and negative ROE. And in this diagram, you can see net income of Marriott worldwide from 2007 to 2024 in million US dollars. In this diagram, you can see the biggest increase was 2023 with 3,083, and while the smallest uh, the, the smallest indicator is 2009 with 346, and you can see net income for Marriott International almost increasing every year step by step, but last year, 2024, it showed a little bit decline. Uh, you in here you can see decline in net profit, and in here you can see last year it showed a little bit decline with 2.375. And from my perspective, there are some recommendations. For example, increase financial stability, increase net profit, and attract more investment. And last one is conclusion, of course. In 2024, Marriott International saw a mixed bag of financial results while they experienced revenue growth and strong RevPAR increases. Net income and diluted EPS saw declines compared to the previous years. The company also saw record gross room additions and robust development pipeline. Thank you, friends. This is it was my presentation about financial financial statement for Marriott International.